guys, what's up you all? Welcome back to my channel and you're watching me, Tanuja. And for today's video, we are going to be following a Vogue beauty routine. We are going to be following their tutorial. The beauty routine that I'm going to be following is done by Olivia, Rodrigo. So I'm pretty excited to be following this routine. I have my phone right here, so I'm going to just watch the video and follow the steps exactly. And we're going to see how this turns out and goes. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, then please continue. And without any further ado, let's get started.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Hey, I'm Olivia Rodrigo, and today I'm going to be walking you guys through my beauty routine. This is the kind of thing that I do every day. I like to keep it pretty simple, so let's get started. I love these like Ollie gummies. I'm obsessed with them. I started taking them a year ago, and I actually think that my hair really improves. They're also just delicious. And
wait a minute, she's having hair gummies and I don't have hair gummies. This video is gonna be a fail.
Also, the highlight of my morning is like eating 2 of these because they're so yummy. It's the first thing I do. The next thing that I do is wash my hair.
So basically she's taking vitamins for her hair, and I don't have like any sort of gummies or things like that. But although I do have some hair supplements, I'm gonna just go get those and have it right now because it's the highlight of her morning and we're gonna make it highlight of our morning. I'm having half a glass of water with a tablet in it, and this tablet is the Chic Nutrix Bounce tablet. These are also hair supplements, good hair day, every day. They contain biotin, selenium and all the good things. I made a video on these hair supplements as well. So I'm gonna just quickly have this.
Epion's Milky Lotion Cleanser a month or so ago.
Okay, so she's gonna be using a milk cleanser, sort of a face wash, and she's also tying her hair. So let me just do that.
Right, I am a teenager. I'm 18, and so I feel like I cannot expect to have perfect skin all the time.
Dude, she's 18. She's 4 years younger to me.
It's pretty good, all things considered, but I
Oh,
definitely have my moments. My skin loves breaking out like on my chin and on my nose. The masks definitely don't help with it.
But she doesn't has any water on her face and she's directly going in a cleanser. I don't have a milk-based cleanser, but I have this very lightweight cleanser which is by Nykaa. This is their tea tree and neem face wash. She's going right ahead without any water, so I'm gonna do that. Before she gets in with the real skincare, she opened her hair again, so
My cute little Glossier bag.
I don't have a Glossier
I'm
bag.
gonna first start with this ordinary serum. People always make fun of me for it, but I always like, I always like go like that, and I don't put it on my hands, which I don't know why. It's just so much fun to do it.
exactly, it's so much fun to apply your skincare directly from the, you know, this dropper thingy, but it's just not hygienic to do that. But she's doing that, so I'm gonna do that as well. And also she's using ordinary serum, and I think it would be some hydrating serum. I don't have ordinary serum, so I'm gonna be using this Sugandha's hyaluronic acid serum. I think it's gonna be great, so I'm gonna just go ahead.
Next thing I'm gonna use is this gua sha, which is this pretty purple color that I love. I kind of just started recently doing this year, and it's like really relaxing.
Dude, I don't have a gua sha. Half of the products that she's using, I don't have any of those.
Sometimes I do this also at like the end of the day when I am taking the makeup off.
And I'm gonna just replicate what she's doing, but by my finger. So it's going to be the same thing, but you use a cheaper alternative, basically your hands. Okay, now she's talking about self-love, so let's just hear about what she has to say.
Your skincare, you're taking a shower and taking care of your hair or whatever, you're not on your phone and you're like by yourself and you can kind of really recharge. That's really important to me. I love alone time. I'm very much an introvert, and so doing stuff like that really helps like energize me for, you know, whatever I'm doing in my work or in my, you know, life. I have the most peely lips for some reason. Like my lips aren't like chapped, but they'll just heal all the time. And so lip scrubs really help. It's see. I love lip scrubs too because
So she's using a lip scrub. That is what I think so.
they're usually just like sugar and lemon, and they taste so good. Like some
Exactly.
of it like accidentally gets in your mouth, and it's like totally intentional because it's delicious.
Okay, so next up she's using a lip scrub, and she said that lip scrubs are delicious and you want to eat them. Believe me, I've had them. I don't know, they just get into your mouth and then you just cannot stop licking, and then it's just sugar, so you eat them. So don't be like me, kids, okay? I'm a bad influence. But anyways, I have this Beauty Co Divine lip scrub. This contains berries and everything else. I'm gonna just take a little bit of lip scrub my lips with her.
Okay. Lips have been scrubbed.
I don't know, Vogue has edited this video so fast. Like there are so many jump cuts, and her lip scrub is already done, but mine is taking so much time, so I'm gonna just do it fast. Let's see what's next.
The next thing I do is I will put on some chapstick.
Okay, I have one chapstick too. This is by Nykaa. This is a peachy Nykaa serial lip kisser. I'm not a serial lip kisser, dude.
Okay, cool. So I'm gonna get started with makeup now. This is the BB cream that I always use, and I always put it on my fingers.
Wait a minute. She's starting with the makeup. Where's the skincare? She's applied no moisturizer, nothing. So I don't know how makeup is going to sit on my face, but girl, you could use some moisturizer like but anyways, let's just see.
I used to do it with beauty blenders and stuff like that, but I never washed them and like actually took care of them, so they would just harbor bacteria and my skin would freak out. So I just
Wash your
use my
beauty
fingers
blenders.
most of the time.
Okay, she's using a BB cream.
Correct.
Okay, she's using a BB cream, and the one that I have with myself is this Nykaa Skin Genius BB cream, all in one with SPF 30, and she'll just use her fingers. I'll do that too. Let's see how it turns out. Taking some. Also, she's been putting a lot of product on like her head too, like skincare. Maybe she applied it, but the point is key, I don't have a forehead. I just have some space above my eyebrows that I call forehead, but I don't actually have a forehead. So, and she has a big forehead, so yeah, let's just see. I don't know, without skincare applying makeup, it just feels so I don't know. Let's just see.
To pin my bangs back too.
She's clipping. Babe, I now have to clip my hair. So honestly, after a lot of jaddo-jahad, I've managed to spread some, you know, BB cream onto my face, and honestly, fingers just do not work for me.
Is the Glossier Stretch Concealer. This is in the shade G10. I'm obsessed with this stuff. Goes on like butter. One of my friends uses this, and I was like at her house and
makeup, and she put this on me, and I was like, what is this? This is the greatest.
While I just realized she has her hair clipped, which I forgot to do.
So the next thing I'm gonna do is bronzer. I really like using bronzer to kind of make you tan and sun-kissed.
Tan and sun-kissed effect. So for that, I'm using the Sugar's Contour the Face palette. I'm gonna be using the bronzer.
I always
Just do
have
the
this little birthmark. People are always like, oh my god, I wrote that little thing. I'm like, no, leave it. I just really like it.
Wait a second.
Blush.
Dude, she's used so less product, like cannot see bronzer on her face. She has used like such less pressure. It almost feels like she's just touching the product on her face. कुछ ज़्यादा दिख नहीं रहा है उसके चेहरे पे करा हुआ. Yeah, I think that is enough. That is the only amount of bronzer that she's used. Almost negligible. Okay.
Next, I'm just gonna do like a little. I used to never wear blush when I was younger. I was like,
Me
blush,
too.
Ooh, I want to make my face red. I'm like trying to take the redness out of my face. And now it's my favorite thing. And I wear so much blush. Like sometimes I like need to tone it down. I just think it makes you look like so awake and happy or something. Cute. The next thing I do is hide.
So she has used blush and the color is very neutral, so I'm going to be using this Fit Me blush. This is in the shade Nude Peach. Itna Kam blush, and that is when she's saying that she likes to drown herself in blush. Girl, have you ever tried looking at Indian brides? They're bathed in blush. Cute, just like her. Okay, next.
Just do like a little on the apples of my cheeks. And sometimes I'll even just go highlighter crazy today.
I'm going to be using the highlighter from the same palette. That's it. She applied highlighter on apples of her cheek and I think I am going overboard, but that's it. And she's also applied some highlighter using a pinky finger on her, you know, inner corner. But I'm going to be using this finger because my nail is broken, so it would be easy for me. So she's just using a little bit of highlighter on her inner corner. Girl, it's not even visible, but she is doing that. Okay, this entire makeup routine is using something and just something.
Next, we're gonna fill in my brows.
Okay, she's using a normal brow pencil, and it's good that I have a brow pencil too. I'm gonna be using this Miss Claire's waterproof eyebrow pencil.
When I was younger, when I was like 14 or so, I was obsessed with doing makeup, and I would do the craziest makeup. I would do like contour where it was just lines, winged eyeliner that went like crazy in this direction, had like thick brows and like overlined lips. So bad. I'm so glad.
Who are these people? Like, who are these mothers allowing their kids to do full-fledged like
angles, contour makeup, wing liners and lip liners?
And that too at the age of 14? 14? When I was 14 and I wore kajal, my mother used to scold me. And not to forget the teachers in my school who used to absolutely judge me like I'm some whore or I don't know what. Good for you, good for you. Yeah, good for you.
My mom like didn't let me go out anywhere looking like that, but that was me like doing my
See, her mom didn't let her go out of the house like that.
Expression and doing what I loved, I guess, but I definitely have toned it down a lot since then. That's been a part of growing up, and you know.
You have toned down a lot, like a lot. The products are negligible.
I'm still gaining confidence in how I look, and probably still will be for, you know, a very long time.
She's also
Next,
using her spoolie.
The Glossier Blow Brow, which is the most iconic Glossier product in my opinion. I love this stuff.
I don't have a brow gel or a brow product, so I'm gonna be just using my mascara, which is by ELF. It has a very little wand, and that's why I'm gonna be using it. And she's just using to set her brow hair. Let's do that. It's actually not bad. You get a pretty good effect. Why haven't I actually tried it before?
Look like so thick. Love that. This is one of my favorite products. I use the Glossier Pro Tip liquid eyeliner. I love doing liquid eyeliner. It's my favorite. I love elongating my eyes. I'm very nervous because sometimes it really works and sometimes it really doesn't. So if I have... So next I'm going to curl my lashes, which is a very essential step, like my favorite
Yes,
step.
it's a very essential steps to curl your lashes.
I always have to curl my lashes by myself. Every time I'm like sitting in a makeup chair and other people want to curl my lashes, I get freaked out. Such a weird contraption. Last thing, I'm actually gonna take these off. I don't need these anymore. Not last thing, one of the last things. I'm gonna
Oh my god.
some mascara.
She took her clips off again. Dude, I was looking cute in them, but... And next she is using mascara. So next she's using a mascara, and I'm gonna be using the same ELF mascara. This is their volumizing and lengthening mascara.
The next thing I'm gonna do is lips, and I'm going to use this Glossier Ultra Lip.
So next she's doing her lips.
Acid in it also, which is great because it keeps your lips moisturized, which is very important for me. I love how it's buildable. Like, I love the natural color of my lips. This just sort of accentuates that. It doesn't try to like cover it up or put a new color on top of it. It just emphasizes what you got.
Okay, So now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be just using this lip and cheek tint. Then I'm gonna top it off with the same chapstick. So it's gonna give the same effect to us. It almost looks similar to what she is wearing. I'm super proud of myself for replicating a makeup product that I don't have.
Okay, cool. So my makeup is pretty much done. The next thing that I do is like my hair. My hair's like a little curly right now. So I do it like from far away though because it gets white. Okay, there you go. Just like rub it in so it's not all white on your scalp.
So hair oil, a little bit on my fingertips.
Okay, she's using hair oil. I'm gonna use a hair serum, a Matrix Biolage hair serum. At least it looks like the one she used.
Thank you guys so much for watching my beauty routine. I had so much fun. I sometimes do my makeup in my mirror at home and pretend that I'm doing one of these. So I actually got to do it for real today, which was really fun. Yeah, I hope you have the best day.
This is the final makeup look. The only complaints that I had is just that I had to use fingers, and I just don't think that my base is that even. Apart from that, everything was just good. Of course, it's very, very, very toned down according to my likings, but I do feel that it's very minimal. It's very lightweight. You just don't feel that there's a lot going on your face, and it's actually pretty cute. I mean, the wings and the cute lip balm sort of a lip look, it really makes you look very cute and young. And yeah, I mean, I look cute. Okay guys, that's it for the video. This is the completed makeup look. Like, jokes apart, I just want to say that women like her really inspire me. I think she's so young and she's just doing so great. I just keep looking onto the screen, but I think she's an inspiration. And to all those people who are talented and think that it's too early to start, I think you can start anytime you want, and there's no time limit to as you're too young or too old to do anything. So she's like a great example of that. You guys can definitely send me some more links to videos that you guys want me to follow or recreate looks by celebrities and things like that. Yeah, no, you know, like, your girl will listen to you, so just text me, DM me, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed watching this one, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below how did you like my look, and I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Tab tak ke liye bye bye, tata and namaste.